Hi Karens! Happy birthday! More birthdays to come and more blessings to be unfolded. Take care always. God bless!
Happy birthday! Greetings from UAE! Monitors at saka happy birthday. Sige, ikaw na lahat. Maganda pa. Congratulations! I love you!
Hi, hello po Ate Karen. Isang mapagpalang araw ng iyong kapanganakan sa mundong ito. Nawa ay marami ka pa pong kaarawan ang iyong ipagdiwang at patuloy kang pagpalain ng Panginoon at palagi pong ingat at congratulations po at monetize channel na po ikaw at nawa ay tuloy lang po sa pag-share ng iyong pong talent sa mundo po ng YouTube at nandito lamang po kami, nandito po yung pamilya di Sundo. Yun lamang po, God bless you always.
Hello Ate Karen! Happy birthday! Wish you all the best. And saka congratulations na din dahil monetize na ang iyong channel. Timing sa birthday. Ayun, mag-ingat ka lang dyan sa Israel. See you soon. Happy birthday, ate. Love you.
Hello, Sisi. Karen's vlog, aka Faith. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. So I thank God for your beautiful day, for this wonderful day of your birthday. So blessed birthday to you, Sisi, and may God bless you, more blessings to come, and always take care. Bye-bye.
Hello, Karens! Happy birthday from Kusina ng Kambal. Love you, ever sweet Karens.
Hello dear Karens! Happiest birthday to you. Wish ko sa'yo maging matatag ka palalo sa buhay, maging maganda lagi, at i-develop mo pa yung pagkanta mo at meron kang mararating dahil ang ganda-ganda ng boses mo, my dear. Maraming salamat dahil magkaibigan tayo sa YT at higit sa lahat, magkapatid tayo sa Disundo. I love you sis and God bless you. Happiest birthday again. Mwah! From John's channel. Love you.
Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Katots TV is here. Babatiin ko lang po ng happy birthday and congratulations. Kalahin mo. Dalawa. Sana all. Isang congratulations ang newly monetized channel ng Pamilya de Sundo at saka isang happy birthday. Yan. Congratulations sa iyo, Karen's Vlogs. Isa ka ng ganap na YouTuber. More uploads lang at saka enjoy lang po natin ang pag-YouTube. At saka happy birthday din sa iyo. More birthdays to come. Stay good health. Siyempre, stay pretty. Mag-ingat po kayo lagi dyan. Salamat po lagi sa support mo. Mabuhay po kayo. God bless po sa pamilya mo. Bye-bye!
Hi sis Karens! Happy birthday! Wish ko sa'yo maging successful ka sa YT World. Tapos, nagpapasalamat din ako dahil naging kapatid kita sa Pamilya di Sundo. Tapos napaka-supportive nila sa atin. So, keep it up. Happy birthday ulit. God bless.
Hello, Kapsat Karen's Vlogs. Happy birthday sa'yo. Pagpatuloy mo lang iyong kabaitan at congratulations din pala as being monetized channel. Stay safe and God bless.
Hello everyone. Casey, Muscle Top, Admeo Bisling, Kesif pa more, Sablanot pa more, Esponja pa more. Wala na akong masasabing mahabang message sa'yo. Masasabi ko lang, God bless you and a lot of blessings. That's it, and continue to watch and subscribe to Karen's Vlog channel. That's it, and more powers and more Sablanot. Bye. Thank you for watching Karen's Vlog. Alaga kong makulit. So, bye-bye. Pa-cute lang. Charam!
Hello everyone and wherever you are. Grabe, ang laki ko na talaga guys. Oh my god. Pasensya na kasi malaki ang guest. Yes guys, happy birthday po sa ating magandang dilag. Walang iba po kundi si Karen's Vlog. Yes, happy birthday sa iyo. I hope mag-enjoy ka sa iyong kaarawan, more birthdays to come and more success, and enjoy ang life, at sana ay patubayan ka ng buong may kapal saan ka man naroroon, at ang iyong buong pamilya. At syempre uulitin ko, happy birthday sa iyo, Karen's Vlog. Thank you so much sa pag-invite mo sa akin dito, ha. At pasensya ka na kay Ate Shi kasi uyat ito kahapon. Yes guys, thank you so much. My name is Shia Herrera, all the way from here in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, and all the way from Bicol. Ano pala, native Bicolana. Thank you so much guys. Bye.
Hello everyone! Ako nga pala si Jennifer Ingkong. Hello. Dito ako para mag-greet kay sis Karen's. Happy birthday! More birthday to come, and best wishes. Always good health and kasama ang family mo, and also maraming salamat sa thank you so much, and pagpatuloy lang yung natin sa YT World, and thank you sa pagiging mabait na kaibigan. Thank you, and andito lang kami, Pamilya Disundo, pa-support sa iyo always yan, and hanggang dito na lang. Happy birthday!
Hi Sisi! Happy birthday! I wish you a good health always and more birthdays to celebrate. Enjoy your day! Happy birthday! Keep safe always! Bye!
Odmeat ani lishlo aklay tay tumuno chiad lashiruta yomulay din na yomulay. Kagresemea, Descer la porea, ayom le Karen, ayom uledet, matrut sa litpalil bishbila, matrut sa bishbila kayim shila, matana, Shederas tikni.
Hello, mega love shout out everyone. Good morning from Israel. I just wanna say a blessed happy birthday to our sister Karen. Mega love shout out to everyone, most especially the friends, loved ones, and families of our sister Karen. I just wanna say this is the day that the Lord has made, and let us rejoice and be glad in it. So, Sis Karen, continue to be a blessing in this YouTube world. May you enjoy every moment of this special day. A blessed happy birthday. Behold how good and how pleasant it is to live another year in righteousness. So, a prayer for you on your birthday. May God bless you and grant you long life, prosperity, and happiness for all your days. So, thank you so much. Enjoy your birthday and keep pressing forward. You are really a great woman of God. Keep using your life as a blessing, as a channel of blessing to everyone. So, this is Arlene Calabson. Do subscribe my channel. To those who did not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So, thank you so much and God bless you.
Hello, bakit? Kissy, yan tangay din manon abonan pa nakatapin bitawan mo. I pray that may the Lord grant all your desires and stay simple, beautiful, blessed, and healthy. Happy birthday! Mwah mwah chup chup. God bless you. Love you.
Happy birthday, Faith KC. Birthdays are simply the best. Parties, games, cake, presents, and loved ones coming together to celebrate another milestone in our wonderful lives. These are the moments to remember that God's gift of life is the greatest gift of all, and that every single life is precious. Today, on this day that has a sole purpose of celebrating your birthday, I would like to wish you that everything you ever dreamed comes true. As a new chapter begins in your life, I hope and wish that it brings you all the love and happiness you could have ever hoped to have. May your dreams burn brighter than the fire and the candles of your birthday cake. My wish for you is that you continue to love life and never stop dreaming. May the beauty and happiness surround you, not only on your special day but always. I wish you good health and more birthdays to come. And one more thing. We would like to congratulate you that you are now a certified YouTuber. Congratulations! Karen's Vlog. For being a monetized channel. We're very proud of your big achievements in the world of YT. Truly the promises of God is true, as he says in Jeremiah chapter 29 verse 11, For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. We're very happy to be part of your great journey in YT world. Thank you for being an inspiration to us and in the world of YT. And again from Daily Devotion channel, congratulations. It is an honor and privilege to us for being part of your journey. Make more uploads of your videos. God bless you more.